Hello guys, welcome back to the Forex Boat Trade Academy. Victor with you here once again, back to the charts. What has happened on the pound versus Australian dollar? It clearly broke above the resistance, so this is an exit trade. And if my trade goes out, it means something. It is very important. So what it means here is that either pound is gonna get very strong or Australian dollar is gonna get very weak. In regards to the Australian dollar, we already had the weak Australian dollar, which was Australian versus Japanese yen shorting. This is perfect, but in regards to the pound, let's look what happened to the pound Swiss franc. It did reach our target, so this is our trade, and this means that now we might see a massive corrective move to the upside. This trade is done, obviously, and let's have a look at the euro pound. If we produce here a double top, so it's an exit now. I don't think there will be much more move towards the target. I think the pair will be moving down. This trade should be fixed with profits, and we are now let's have a look at the pound Canadian dollar. Why I said stop losses being kicked out, it is for a reason, and this is because pound is going to reverse to the upside, and the best pair that I managed to find is the pound Canadian dollar, which is just perfect for the long-term opportunity, and we might see this very nice rally to the upside. So this is what might happen. Look at this support level at 38.2 pips. Clean rejection, clean bounce. This applied to this overall downtrend. And now we might see actually this move to the upside where this massive resistance is formed. So once again, pair is expecting to move towards this resistance area. Overall, the stop losses could be placed to me 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio, but I don't think there will be any weekly closing price below this level. Maybe spikes, but I don't even think price will go down. So overall, the update was on the pound, so you understand that the currency is reversing, is gonna get strong most likely, and across multiple currency pairs. So that's it, guys. Enjoy your evening. Thank you for watching, and obviously like, subscribe, comment, ask questions. I always enjoy reading what you post, and if we don't get like 50 likes, I'm not sure when I'm going to post the next video. So take care, guys. Talk soon.